I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Ring Chime. So this is paired with your Ring doorbell, and it basically turns your Ring doorbell into more like a traditional doorbell. So normally the Ring doorbell mounted in the front of your house, if somebody presses the button, you get a notification on your phone. Your phone will make the ringing sound, you'll get a push notification saying somebody's at the door. You can configure it to do that if there's motion at the door as well. But if you don't have your phone on you, you probably won't hear that. Or if somebody's staying at your house and house sitting, they're not going to hear that. So it's nice to have a physical chime in your house that goes off when somebody presses the doorbell, like in the olden days before all of these kind of connected doorbells. So the Ring Chime allows you to do that by pairing with your Ring doorbell. So you'll still get that notification on your phone when somebody rings the doorbell or when somebody walks by the doorbell camera. But with the Ring Chime, you'll also hear a sound in the house. So this basically makes a ding-dong sound like a traditional doorbell. There's some nice things you can do with it. You can actually configure the different sounds that it makes. So you can choose a traditional doorbell sound, or you can choose all different kinds of more modern digital kind of sounds. In the Ring app, you can select different ones. You can also set this, if you have multiple Ring doorbells, to make a different sound for each doorbell. So say you have a front and a back door, you can have a different chime sound for the front and back, so you know when you hear it where somebody is, if they're at the front door or the back door. And finally, you can also configure it to ring when somebody presses the doorbell, but also to make a different sound when somebody walks by the camera. So you can have it make a quick like boom noise when somebody walks by the camera, and that way you know if somebody walked up to the door maybe to deliver a package, but they didn't actually come over to the door. It connects via Wi-Fi. It just plugs into a standard wall outlet, and I find it's a really great addition to the Ring doorbell.